almost done with my boat building, or upfitting, I guess it's called. I installed the light bar, radio, these floodlights, spotlights. Got a minor details to finish up, like cleaning it up. Installed that hummingbird system, which wasn't too terrible. Create myself a box for my wiring stuff, or I didn't create it, I bolted on it. Then I use the OEM fuse box that it had empty slots for that, and everything else was run on different switches. So this is the build switches that the boat came with. White lights and red. So as far as myself, I did put those deck lights up there. Siren with a PA from our good friends from Wayland. Installed the radio. Built myself a electrical cover for all the electrical components that I had up there. Then a couple more lights. This is my siren speaker. Didn't get to do anything in the front. I did end up replacing all these handles that they had, the ones that they had from the OEM. They're plastic and they were all crap. They were coming apart. Out of 6 compartments, only one of them was tight by the time I got this thing in. So they're not impressed with all of that. So all of my wiring and stuff went through this channel provided by manufacturer. So it actually worked out pretty decent. So let's see. This will be mine deck lights. It's a little bit dark right now, so can't see a whole lot with them because of our shop light. But you can see some movement of the light, and I got them where they tilt and they swivel a little bit, nothing too crazy. And same thing with the one on the back. Now those should work in conjunctions with the boat lights. They don't produce a whole lot of light, but nevertheless they are there. So with that being said, got the same thing with the red. See, the red ones, you can see them a lot more better now. You can see where the reds are shining, front reds and rear reds. So yeah, here we go. So reds, whites, then I got port floodlights. Now you can see that illuminate, so they want it to be on port which is in starboard lights, so I got them under flood and spot. That'll be their spotlights. That'll be their flats, and if they want both of them on, they can just hit both switches, then both of the lights will come on. Same for the um, starboard side. You got the spot. There you can see a little bit of it in the front. It's pointing down. You can see it right there on the boat, and there on the back, and then flat, and you can see flat over there. And then if you want to see them both, then everything lights up, and that's gonna be with flat and spot both lights on. It is pretty white, so everything lights up. Been using these magnetic mic bases for it. It worked pretty good. Hello. Hello, hello. PA works, siren works. Not sure if they're gonna be needing that for, but the PA works. Got a couple of extra switches that are not being used. They're there for whatever they're gonna be needed next, which I'm pretty sure something else is gonna pop up. And the last thing, I just gotta rewire my battery bank. They want me to add one more battery, so I just gotta finish it up, wiring that, which I'll do that first thing tomorrow, and it'll be all done. Sonar sensors installed on the back of the boat. Sonar sensor 1 and 2. Also had to have this guard built for the fuel cap. The way it got installed, it was on a really bad design, and I guess they broke a couple of days already, so made a little guard so it doesn't bump into the deck. We'll see how that works.